Good morning. Welcome to the fortnightly chat with Jeff and Kylie. Good morning, Jeff.
Good afternoon.
It was actually afternoon. Oh my gosh. Far out. How did that happen? So it's the 7th of May 2026 and we've only got an hour and a half left of trading. Holy moly. As we can see, the last couple of weeks has been a bit diabolical, but it's nice to see we've had some really massive days today. And we were talking earlier on how much this looks like it's retraced 50%. So we'll go to the all-time bottom. This is the Fibonacci retracement tool. Go to the top. And there you go, bang on, 50% retracement. That's pretty cool. It's managed to break through 23 point, whatever that says. I'm blind, can't remember. It's 23%. So that means that obviously it's going to go through the roof now, go to the moon. Don't you agree?
Well, indicating that it's going up. I don't know about the moon, but
it's a rocket ship.
Yeah.
That's all, because a good symbol. I think that's pretty cool actually. That usually if it falls below this level at 36, then that's a more of a bearish move. But it did hold 50, which is pretty good. It's shot straight back up, so that looks quite bullish. So that's nice to see. I think it's filling everyone with a bit of optimism and excitement for the market these days.
Yes. Rather
than last week, I think we're all ready to quit. So. All right, let's go through our watch list. What are we watching, Jeff?
The first one is ABB.
ABB. How's it held up?
It hasn't.
Yeah.
It's sort of gone down a bit. It's not really doing a lot for me.
No, it's not doing a lot. It's had a big crack at breaking out, and then it's just come straight back to the breakout level, which is a little bit frustrating.
If it holds and probably gets above the 550, then look at it, I suppose.
Yeah, it looks like there'll be a bit of resistance at $6. It's trying very hard. It is, on a big scale, it's doing high highs, high lows, but I think we'll keep it in,
okay,
just to see.
Keep that one in.
Yeah.
The next one is ALD.
Oh, I know this one has not done well.
Well, it did to when we were looking at it. It's sort of broken out and taken off, but it's retraced a huge amount today.
Yes, and then it's just done that exactly thing, came straight back in. Left a gap, which it may try and fill. I'm not sure. I need to see what the news is as to why that dropped down today. I know oil and gas and energy stocks aren't performing as well today as, say, gold, but maybe that might be it. Maybe everyone's dropped out to put their money into something else, or maybe there's an announcement. I haven't followed it.
Wouldn't be dividends, would it?
Not sure. Do they pay divvy? Good question. There's a little bit of a divvy. It might have gone ex-divvy today. Yeah, so it'd be worth looking into. In that case, let's keep it on there just to see why.
We will.
All right.
Next one is COB.
Oh gosh, I know this one has fallen in a heap as well. Oh, that looked so good, and then it clearly just couldn't hold. Maybe this was all just noise. It was a bit of FOMO action happening. It has held resistance above this gap here. Held support, sort of just there. If I draw a line through here, we're talking a penny stock here, so it's not anything to get too excited about.
My only concern is the unbalanced volume is starting to head the wrong way.
Yeah, definitely. It's very, very dead in the water. So I think we'll get rid of that one.
Yep. Done.
Yep.
Next one is CUE. This is looking worse.
I see why we were watching that. It was doing this, but it's just faded away. That's just fading. Yep. Again, oil and gas again, it's just fading. Okay, no.
Delete that.
Yep.
Okay, next one is EXR.
Okay, I know this one was holding. I've got it in a box. It's hanging in there, just.
Again, unbalanced volume has gone backwards. I would be careful on this one.
I think you'd have a pretty tight stop in. In fact, if you're in this 13, probably you'd want to be out by 12.5.
Yeah.
for sure. Yep. Yep.
We'll just watch that though. Being
Keep it in
advanced.
there.
Yep.
Yes, I think so.
Next one is FHE.
Oh, okay. That's still looking pretty good.
Yeah, I don't think it's done a lot in 2 weeks, but it's just gone sideways. So the break at 28.5 or something.
Yeah, that's 28.5 exactly. I don't mind that it's not done anything in 2 weeks. The longer it can do this, the better. So I kind of like how that's shaping up. So I think we'll keep that one in there.
Yes, that's good. Next one is ILU.
Luca. Okay. Now, where was 2 weeks ago? About here. So we must have been watching it approach to this line here. It has broken through. It's just doing nothing but going up. It's not bad. It's not dramatic, but at least it's not going down.
No, it is. I think we'll watch that for now.
Yeah, I think so. That looks pretty good still.
Yep. Next one is LIN. Now this is taking a huge dive.
That has taken a big dive, and this box, to be fair, is rather massive. So I wouldn't really, okay, this is really interesting because you kind of would argue you had a bit of a buy here and now it's done this, but you haven't technically had a sell signal, really, because I like to do the sell on a lower high, lower low, but you haven't really had a lower high yet. So you've got to base it on this box here. I wouldn't want it to fall much. I wouldn't want it to go through here. You wouldn't be out, but you'd want to give it a bit of space, a bit of time. I know you're totally disagreeing with me.
I would think that if you've been in it and you've got a profit, you'd have a very tight spot, tight stop on it.
Yeah.
But to me, it's just gone backwards too far. I would be waiting for another sign.
Yeah, okay.
But we'll watch it and see whether we're right or wrong.
So, yeah. A couple of things. If you are in it, I would probably look at a stop below this box here. Or if you haven't already got out, I guess, looking at this. If you're not in it, oh, good.
I'm not.
No, good. All right, we'll keep it in and see what happens.
All right. Next one is LTR.
Okay, again, it's all doing the right things. I like the look of this. If you're not in it, you'd be waiting for a buy entry, probably from a break. I'm just going to cut. No, I can't really. Let's just put that there. So this needs to move sideways for a while, as per usual. As I'm going to give an example. Sorry, just going out on a tangent here. SPL, you want to talk about this moving up and then moving sideways. This is what SPL is doing perfectly, and that's what I want LTR to do. It's moved up, moving up, and now give us a sideways move so we get a nice entry on here. If you missed this one, because that's a perfect entry down here. So yeah, so that's what we want that to do. So I'm really keen to see that because I would like to get an entry for this stock.
Okay, I'll keep that on the watch list. The next one is MAH, McMahon.
Oops, wrong one. Hang on. Go to Australia. There we go. Ooh, okay.
So,
look, it's done. That looks like, what was the stock we were just looking at before? Lin. And it's recovering. Interesting. Can't say I really like it.
No. Again, unbalanced volume's gone backwards a little bit, but it seems to be turning the corner.
Yeah. It does. If you're in it, I wouldn't be panicking.
No.
It still looks okay on a weekly. It's just hard to, if you're not in it, where do you buy in? That's the question, and I wouldn't yet.
No, I'd wait to see it.
You'd want to break up here, even a break of 90 cents might be the way to go. Or if you're into buying the bottom and selling at the top, buy it now and sell it at 90 or 89.
Your risk.
At your risk, yeah, at your risk. All right, yeah, keep it in.
MI6.
MI6. Okay.
Still looks all right.
Still doing, yeah, that's still okay.
Still doing all the positives. A close of 81 would probably be a good point.
Yeah, I agree. I agree with that. People, this isn't a pattern, but what I want to show is that it is getting lower, high lows, which is what we like to see. So that, but I would not, that's not an ascending triangle, just want to make that clear.
No.
But it's raising higher lows, so that's cool. Yeah, I like it.
Okay, we'll keep that in.
Yeah.
Next one is MLX.
Oops. MLX. Oh, still hanging in there. Still like it. I like this sideways move, Bizzo. That's real resistance there. And it's getting higher lows at the same time, so that's cool. I like it. Keep it. Yes. Yep.
Watch that. And PAA.
I always think of TAA when you say that. TAA, same. It's cool.
Oil and gas going sideways.
Yeah, it's retracing a bit, which they all are at the moment. It's evident with the OBV and high volume. So OBV going down, high volume coming in. So that's people are selling, but it's not drastic. It's only changed $1, not even 70 cents. Yeah.
Okay, keep that for now.
Yeah.
PC2.
PC2. This is, I really like this stock. This was nerve-wracking, but gold's just bounced yesterday and today. And so it's just come back to its level here. So I'm not sure if you're not, I probably want to adjust it to back up here now. $1.40 an entry.
There's not a lot of them out there either.
No.
So
it's a nice, it usually performs very well. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that and I'm going to do a box like that. There we go. It's going to start doing something here, this box again. Okay, I'll keep that in.
Keep it in. Okay, next one is PDI.
I can see why we're doing this as well. It's that typical resistance here. It's retraced. It's filled that gap down there nicely, which is great. It's gapped up today. Again, waiting for a break of the dollar.
It has broken the dollar though and retraced.
Yeah, true.
So I'm not technically it's had a lower low. Would that be true?
I see. Yes, yes, true.
And unbalanced volume is sort of declining. I'd be sceptical on this.
Yes, I do see what you mean.
But in saying that, let's watch it and see.
Yeah, let's see what happens with this. Yeah. There's a long way, like in terms of buying a stock, this has got a lot to do before we'd look at buying it.
Yeah, I'd want to see it go sideways for all 3 weeks.
Yeah.
And then take off.
Yeah, and go back to a higher low, definitely. Yeah, okay.
Watch that. Next one is PLS.
And this one has been doing super well. Amazing. This was a great entry here. This was a great add to your position here. Just keeps on rocking and rolling. Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. All right. We thought we'd do just a simple high low scan in the Guru's toolbox today, which we did, and we got 15 results, so pretty easy. So let's go through these quickly. A4N is the first one. We've got a really significant low here, A4N. Just bringing in some more data. Oh, geez, when you put it on long charts, it's pretty. What can we squeeze out of this stock? Okay, maybe a target of 93 at 66. Pretty big gamble. Shall we? No, I don't think we'll add this one on.
No, I don't think so.
No. Okay, quick, moving on. CT1, no. DCC, okay, DCC for those who love penny stocks. Jeff.
Yes.
This is your bag. You talk about this one.
No, I like it. It's a little bit of a saucer. It looks as though it's trying to break the 3.5 cents. Yes, it's all looks good from my point of view. I would probably have a close of maybe 3.6.
Yep.
And that's probably where I would enter.
Yep, that's cool. And you could put a tightish stop at just below 3.
Yep.
And I just thought of something. All the moving averages are crossing over too, which makes it look quite nice. That crossover here, and I've got MACD. I think is that crossed over? Not quite. Oh yeah, it did cross over there. So maybe, yeah. Okay, let's add it. Let's see what this bad boy does.
We will.
Okay, next DCC ETM. Oh, okay. Again, there's a lot out here. There's over 2 billion but it's a bit of volume still goes through this thing. Jeff, comments?
I don't like it. It's not ticking my boxes. It would have to go sideways, but I'd be waiting till it got well above 8 before I got serious on it, I think.
Yeah, you've got this tiny wee little gap here.
Yeah.
You could maybe profit from a break of 7.5, but you'd be wanting to get out about 8.5.
Yeah.
So 1 cent in it. Yeah, no?
We'll watch it and see whether we're right.
All right, we're adding it in. Okay. Oops. FMG. Okay, here we go. FMG's come up on a high. It's not a great high, I have to admit, but you can't ignore it. BHP is starting to look good as well. It's really stayed in this range. Who can argue with FMG? They pay a divvy. Maybe it's a good time to get into this stock if you're not in it. But I would wait to see what it does. There's 2 big days here. I would want to see some pullback.
Yeah.
So do we want to add FMG?
We can add FMG.
Okay. Haas is, I actually don't mind this because I'm seeing this little tick, but I think it's far too early to say. HAS.
HAS. Hastings.
Wow, there's not many out there. I'd see this happening, the OBB going up, crossing over of moving averages, break of 50 cents. No, that's not true. I'd say 50, break of 51.
Yeah, I would even go a little bit higher on that, but it's not at all-time lows, but it is sort of bottoming, and I think it is starting to go up.
Yeah. Oh, look at it with 5-year chart. Yes, it could do this forever and ever, amen, though. So you'd have to be careful. It might only just have a bit of a quick spurt to here and pull back again.
Yeah, me personally, if it closed at 52, and then I'd have a tight stop under 50.
Yeah, very tight. Yep. Okay. Next one, HTG. No, we'll move on. IBR. I'm not going to move on from that one. IPX. Frank has talked a bit about this today online as well. This has filled this gap now. So what we really want this to do is pull back. We are expecting this to pull back now because it's filled the gap. That's what they do. It'll come back to here, fluff about, do the sideways move, and then we could potentially have a buy in IPX. I do want to add this to the watch list.
All right.
This looks exciting, personally.
Okay.
It's a nice $5 stock. So that's IPX. Okay. JDO is the next one. And I'm not a fan. Judo Capital.
Lots of gaps.
Lots of doing nothing over the past so many years. It's the same price that it was in August 24, and it hasn't got over $2. So it's had a 70-cent range for 2 years. So, yeah.
Yeah, I'd give it a go.
Yeah, P&I, another investment one. That just looks like it's going down to me. I know, sure, it's high, low chart, but that, when you put it on this, just looks like it's still going to go down.
Yes.
It's in a downtrend.
Every time it crosses over, it then falls off.
Yeah. So no, we'll move on from that one. P&I, PTR. Oh. God, if you game, you might be able to squeeze something out of it.
I'm not that game.
No, I don't think.
I want to see that go sideways for a bit and give another signal of some description.
Yes. Yeah. I think there's got a bit of work to do. PWN, no, I'm going to move on from PWN. WA1.
WA1.
It's not ideal, but no, I know.
Again, it needs to go sideways, I think. Another signal.
This has been going sideways. Again, it's around the same price as it was in April 24. So that is 2 years. There you go. No. Moving along. No real growth going on there. Last one is XEN. And no, that's 0.003. No, even you won't go there. No. All right. Well, that's the end of that list. So there's a couple we got out of that. So just to wrap up, we had to finalise details for Bali last week, but they have opened up a couple more rooms because there is still some more interest from people. So they've let us, so they've opened up a couple more rooms. So basically it's first in, best dressed. We've got, I've sort of set the agenda up now. So there's lots of talking about trading plan, making sure you have a trading plan. We've got some games like to get you really thinking about your trading and what you're going to do. We've got guest speakers, Frank Watkins. We've got Helen Mack. She is talking about trading psychology. Jeff Burfield is one of our expert talk speakers. We've got people that are coming from that have been trading for many years that are coming to brush up their skills, people that used to trade that now want to get back into it, so need to kind of get a refresher, and people that have not traded or just starting out on their trading journey coming. So we are covering a lot of information so that when you leave Bali, you'll have all your your questions answered, you will have a plan, and you will be able to find stocks and know when to buy and know when to sell and where to put your stops. So we're trying to cover everything in 3 days. It's very extensive, but it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm a bit excited about all the different things we're going to be doing. So if you are keen to book a spot before the rooms actually do run out, which they are, it's Kylie at protrader.com.au.
We've only got a few days left.
Really do, yes. It's actually a month yesterday that we were going to be arriving, so it's less than a month away. So get in quick. On that, thank you so much again, Jeff. Lovely to chat, and we'll chat again in a fortnight.
Will do.
All right, cheers, bye.